Water Systems Inc. Welcome to your 2023 team building and thank you so much for being here.
We check kung ano lahat nung list, di ba, 10 yon. And then we check ano yung pinakaunang pwede namin gawin na madali and malapit, which is yung sa pool, and then may nakita kaming team nakipaglaro kami ng, ano nga yun? Patintero.
In-apply namin dito yung isang value ng Xylem, which is yung responsibility. So hinanap namin yung strength ng bawat team members. Yun lang po. Salamat.
How did your team decide the
roles for the last, yeah.
Based on the strength and the capabilities, tapos kinonsider namin lagi yung safety.
Tomorrow is not a promise. Everything can change and snap. Do it now, improve later.
So it's very important for us to communicate and collaborate at first before we do the task. So all of us agreed, ibig sabihin na iintindihan po nating lahat ano ba yung role ng bawat isa as we have this goal na kailangan isa lang, kailangan matibay.
Pinaka nakatulong lang din po talaga sa amin is that at first nag-strategize tayo as a team, which really helped us kasi at first talaga iba yung plano namin, and when we strategize as a team, nakatulong talaga na bigyan kami ng idea on what we should do.
Yung willingness ng ating team members. Kung sino yung gustong maligo.
After niya maibigay yung instructions, kinuha namin yung inputs ng bawat isa. So doon, nag-strategy kami, nag-decide kami, sino ba yung pinaka-the best na kukuha.
3, 2, 1, go!
Huwag nating kalimutan ang past. Ika nga, pero huwag niyong kalimutan yung lesson. Okay? Kasi ganyan din talaga sa buhay, di ba? Minsan kapag you look back 30 years from now, ano yung natutunan mo sa buhay? After 30 years, after 20 years, yun ang gamitin mo to move forward in life. The role of a leader is not really to create idea. Right? The role of a leader is to create an environment where idea can happen.
Being a leader, setting a good example to the team.
Siguro marami tayong mga problema na maiiwasan kung lahat tayo ay nag-uusap-usap at be open to communicate and share.
We don't stop on learning or growing.
We will grow as a company, as a one.
Pag-define natin yung word na positivity, so yun yung practice of tendency na being optimistic or positive.